How to fix the screen zoom problem on Android. This tutorial shows you how to turn off accidental screen magnification on your Android device. First, if your screen is currently zoomed in, like mine, try triple tapping the screen to toggle it off, as that may be the shortcut set on your device. After that, if that does not work, or you want to fully disable the feature, open your Android settings and tap on Accessibility. From there, tap on Vision Enhancement. At this point, scroll down and look for Magnification and tap on it. In the next step, you will see the magnification toggle is currently turned on, which is what is causing your screen to zoom in unexpectedly. Following this, tap the toggle to turn it off. Once done, go back and check if the zoom shortcut is also disabled. This prevents the feature from being accidentally triggered again in the future. Finally, go back to your home screen and test by tapping and swiping around to confirm your screen is back to normal. And that's it. If this Android guide helped you fix your screen zoom problem, give it a like, subscribe for more Android tutorials, and tap the bell icon for updates. See you in the next one.